Welcome to the fascinating journey of the humble cucumber as it transforms into the zesty, crunchy delight we know as pickles. This process is a blend of traditional farming, careful selection, and the ancient art of pickling, a preservation method dating back thousands of years. In this video, we'll explore how cucumbers are cultivated, harvested, and prepared through the unique process of pickling, turning a simple vegetable into a beloved treat enjoyed around the world. Whether it's classic dill pickles, spicy garlic pickles, or a family favorite recipe, the process is as interesting as it is delicious. Let's dive in! Pickling cucumbers start their journey on farms specializing in varieties that are shorter and firmer than slicing cucumbers, often called Kirby cucumbers or pickling cucumbers. These types are selected for their ability to retain a crunchy texture even after they've been brined. The cucumbers thrive best in warm, sunny environments with fertile, well-drained soil. Soil preparation begins weeks before planting, with farmers adding organic compost and nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium to support growth. The seeds are planted in the spring, once the soil has reached a warm temperature of around 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 degrees Celsius to support germination. Farmers plant the seeds in rows, spaced about 1 foot apart to allow the vines room to spread. Because cucumbers need consistent moisture, they're often grown with drip irrigation systems to balance the water supply without causing waterlogging. This delicate water balance is key. Too much water can lead to root rot, while too little can make cucumbers bitter and less ideal for pickling. Farmers carefully monitor irrigation, especially in dry spells, to keep the plants healthy and hydrated. As the cucumber plants grow, they spread their vines quickly, producing large green leaves that help protect the fruit from the sun's intense heat. Each vine blooms with yellow flowers that develop into cucumbers. To ensure optimal health, farmers engage in regular weeding, pest control, and monitoring for diseases like powdery mildew, which can impact plant yield. Maintaining this balance is vital because healthy cucumbers result in better pickling potential. The growth process from seedling to harvest takes between 50 to 70 days, depending on the variety and growing conditions. Farmers often test the cucumbers for size and flavor during this period, as young cucumbers typically yield the best pickles. The aim is to harvest them when they're about 3 to 4 inches long, ensuring they're at the peak of flavor and crunch. When it's time to harvest, speed and timing are crucial. Cucumbers grow quickly, and if left on the vine too long, they become oversized and lose their ideal firmness for pickling. Farmers often perform multiple harvests over a few weeks to pick cucumbers at just the right size. While small farms may still rely on manual harvesting for precision, larger farms use mechanized harvesters that gently pull the cucumbers from the vine, minimizing damage to the fruit. Handling cucumbers with care is essential because bruises or cuts can lead to spoilage during the pickling process. Once harvested, cucumbers are placed in crates and transported to processing facilities quickly to preserve their quality and prevent any moisture loss or deterioration. At the processing facility, the cucumbers go through a meticulous cleaning process, removing any dirt or residues. This thorough washing ensures that the pickles will be clean and safe for consumption. The clean cucumbers are then sorted by size and quality, as uniform cucumbers pickle more evenly, producing a better product. The cucumbers are then immersed in a brine solution, typically made of water, salt, and vinegar, with additional spices depending on the flavor profile desired. Dill, garlic, mustard seeds, and chili peppers are common additions, offering diverse pickle flavors like classic dill, spicy, or garlic-infused. In traditional fermentation pickling, cucumbers are left in salt brine to naturally ferment, producing lactic acid that gives pickles their characteristic tang. This process takes 1 to several weeks, with the cucumbers periodically checked for flavor and firmness. For faster production, vinegar pickling is often used, where cucumbers soak in a vinegar-based brine for only a few days, resulting in a quicker but equally flavorful pickle. After brining, the pickles are packed into jars. To preserve them, pasteurization is used to kill any harmful bacteria and extend the product's shelf life. During pasteurization, the jars are sealed under heat, ensuring freshness and maintaining crunchiness. Pickles have a long and storied history. They're believed to date back over 4,000 years to ancient Mesopotamia, where cucumbers were first cultivated and pickled as a method of preservation. Cleopatra reportedly claimed pickles were part of her beauty regime, and Julius Caesar believed they gave his soldiers physical and mental strength. Interestingly, pickles are not only a tasty snack, but also a low-calorie source of probiotics if fermented naturally, supporting digestive health. In the US, pickles are particularly popular on burgers and sandwiches, while in places like India, spicy pickles are a traditional side dish with meals. And there you have it, the journey of the cucumber from seed to crunchy, flavorful pickle. This timeless food preservation technique not only extends the shelf life of cucumbers, but adds layers of flavor that make pickles a beloved snack and condiment worldwide. Next time you reach for a pickle, you'll know just how much care, tradition, and science go into creating that perfect crunch. If you enjoyed learning about this process, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos on food cultivation, processing, and preparation. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.